Well, hey there, it's Catherine from CatherinePooler.com. Have you seen this Doin the Polka background stamp? It's amazing. I'm going to stamp it in black on white cardstock. Who doesn't love a giant black and white polka dot background? It could be the base of so many different types of cards. So I like to ink my background stamp up, add my cardstock to it, and then just use a piece of scratch paper over the top, give it some rubs, and then your ink will transfer to the cardstock beautifully, and you won't have a bunch of mess on your fingers. All right, so I'm going to set that aside, and then I'm going to go to work on my sentiment piece. So I'm using the Life-Changing brushes. If you haven't seen these yet, I'll link to a video. I hung out with Nicole Peterson, who is the owner of Picket Studios that carries and offers these brushes. We did a video together at Creativation, and she showed the ins and outs of these brushes. But basically, they give you a beautiful blend, really pretty effortless, and they're pretty awesome. So I'm going to grab our Note of Thanks stamp set and use this fun thanks font. I love it. And watch when I stamp this in black. It looks so good. So I'm just going to test it out on scratch paper to make sure that the inking is even and everything's all good to go. And then I'll go straight on to my ink blended background and bam, I have my sentiment. So I'm just going to trim that down. I'm going to add a little bit of dimensional adhesive just right along that strip, and check it out. A simple sentiment strip with some ink blending on that amazing black and white polka dot background. Super simple card, really striking. So I hope you're inspired by today's card. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the color combination. And then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you again soon.